In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Word to Claude AI. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you are on the Claude desktop application. Unfortunately, this is not going to work on the web browser. So you need to make sure that you have Claude installed on your desktop, which you can download completely for free on the official Anthropic website. Anyways, the next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you are on a Mac OS. Unfortunately, at the time of recording this video, you aren't able to install this extension on Windows just yet. So right now it is currently for Mac, so I just want to be as transparent as possible. Of course, this is always subject to change. Anyways, guys, what you want to do from here is you want to go to the bottom left, select on the profile picture, then select over here where it says settings. Afterwards, go to the left menu, select over here where it says connectors. Then you're able to press over here where it says browse connectors. Afterwards, go to the search bar and type in Word, and then you should be able to go ahead and find it. And here it is, Word by Anthropic. So you're able to go ahead and press on it, and then you're able to go ahead and install it once again if you're on a Mac OS. And this extension will allow Claude to interact with Microsoft Word, enabling document creation, editing, formatting, and management. So this here is a very useful tool. It is going to prompt you to sign into your Microsoft account that is connected to Word. So please be prepared to do that. But once you went ahead and sign in, you'll be good to go. And it is going to ask you one more time if you're 1000% sure. Then it's going to ask you once again if you want to give Claude permission to actually control your Word account and stuff like that. So be sure to go ahead and select on confirm, and then you're going to be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.